Hello everyone, today we are to learn on how you can copy any text from any screenshot or paper that you have a picture of. So to do that, simply start by opening Google Lens, and if you don't have it, make sure you download it. So to copy the text, simply click on this button and then choose the picture you would like to copy the text from. So long press on the picture. And now as you can see, you have the blue bars for copying, so now you can copy from whatever you want to copy from, and after. Click on this copy text button, and now your text has been copied. So thanks for watching, and if you are new, make sure you subscribe.